Hi friends, in this video I will explain error detection and error correction performed using block coding for 7 marks. In block coding message is divide the k bits block called data words. So whatever the blocks are present, it should be divided the k bits of block that we will call it as data words. Then R returned bits are added to the each block to make the length of n is equal to k plus r. As previously told that redundancy it has been added to the input data, so that we are going to adding by considering r. So we will k it is a input and then plus r it is a redundant bit. The resulting n bit are called as the code words. So whatever the performance we are going to doing for addition of data and then redundant bit, that will call it as a code words. With k bits we can create a combination of 2k data words. With n bits we can create a combination of 2n code words. Since n is greater than k, the number of possible code words is larger than the number of data words. The block coding is a process is one-to-one. The same data word is always encoded as the same code word. This means that we have 2n minus 2k code words that are not used. We'll call these code words invalid or illegal. So k bits are present and then 2 power k data words each of k bits are present. And then 2 power n code words are present, each of n bits are only 2 power k of the are valid. So next error detection, in the following two conditions are met, the receiver can detect a change in the original code word. So the receiver has the list of valid code words, the original code word has changed to an invalid one. So with respect with the block coding, we'll have detection, we'll be having the sender and the receiver. As in previous discussion we have indicated that what is the role of encoder and decoder. So I will be having the k bits of input data, so that will be called as what data word. And then by means of generator or redundancy, or it has been added, and then which will forms a code words, n bits of code words. So this input plus redundant bit we are going to call it as code word. So this code word it has been passed on to the unreliable transmission medium and then it will receive the receiver. So in the receiver it will perform the operation whatever the code word it has been generated or the redundant bit it has been added, it has been rechecking by applying the some mechanisms. So here checker is there, it will extract the whatever the original data. So it is going to, if it is matches, then only this data words it will be extract and then it will deliver on to the receiver. If any mismatches are present, then the discard with the checker itself. The process of error detection in the block coding, the sender creates a code word out of data words by sending a generator that applies the rules and procedure of encoding. Each code word sent to the receiver may change during transmission. If the receiver code word is same as one of the valid code words, the word is acceptable. The corresponding data word is extracted for use. If the receiver code word is not valid, it is discarded. However, if the code word is corrupted during a transmission but the received word still matches a valid code word, then error remains undetected. This type of coding can detect only single errors, two or more errors can remain undetected. So whatever the steps I have explained, it has been briefed out here. Say here example are present, let us assume k is equal to 2 and n is equal to 3. Below table shows the list of data words and code words. So for 00, 000, 000, 01, 011, 10, 101, 11, 110. Assume the sender encodes the data word 01 as 011 and sends it to the receiver. Consider the following cases. If the receiver receives the 011, it is valid code word. If the receiver extracts the data of 01 from it, the code word is corrupted during a transmission and 111 is received, the leftmost bit it is corrupted. Based upon this, it is going to whether we need to deliver or discard. Next, error correction. In the error detection, the receiver needs to know only the received code word is invalid. In the error correction, the receiver needs to find the original code word it has been sent. So this is the schematic representation of how error correction it has been checked or corrected. So same thing, k bits, and then by using the generator, n bits it will be generated, and then that will call it as code words. It has been passed on to unreliable transmission. So in this receiver, it is going to receive, and then by checking the corresponding the operation that has been performed, if it is correct, then it will deliver. So for this, assume the data word is 01. The sender consulted table to create the code word 01011. The code word is corrected during a transmission and 01001 is received. So error is present in the second bit from the right. First, receiver finds the receiver code word is not in the table. This means an error it has been occurred. The receiver, assuming that there is only one bit is corrected, using the following strategy to guess the correct data word. Comparing the received code word with the first code word in the table, and the receiver decides that first code word is not the one that was sent because there are two different bits are present. By the same reasoning, the original code word cannot be third or fourth in the table. The original code word must be second one in the table because this is the only one that differs from a received code by one bit. Then the receiver replaces 01001 with the 01011 and consults a table to find the data word 01. Thank you.